Hello everyone, from Tony the Scarred Ghost. I just received from Oculus the silicone cover that they're sending to all the Quest 2 owners. So let me unbox it with you and install it with you. So this is the package that has arrived to me from like the Netherlands. So it's a simple, parcel. Voila. Inside there is this one and nothing else. So Quest 2 silicone cover in all languages, and use all the install instructions to avoid skin irritation. That's pretty funny because they are sending this to avoid skin irritation. So if this can create skin irritations, it's a bit of nonsense. But okay, I guess it can be opened this way. Designed to fit over the Quest 2 standard facial interface. Scan the QR code for more information. Attention, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's throw this away. And I have my silicone cover. That has a terrible smell, to be honest, but that's okay. So let me try to install it on my Quest 2. So first of all, let me also analyze it. It looks, I don't know how to say. It looks a bit cheap as materials. I expected it to be more refined, like the one from VR covers. It's also, a bit flimsy. It's not that thick. I'm not super satisfied by how it feels on my hands. It doesn't feel very polished. It's a bit rough also. Let's try how it does fit on the standard facial interface. So there are no install instructions, so I'll just make up how to put it here. So I guess that this part should go on top, and here is where it attaches to the headset, and the rest goes this way. The real problem with this kind of covers is that sometimes you install them and then while you use the headset, they just they remove themselves, so it's a bit of a mess sometimes. So but let me try. Maybe this one, being an official one, is better, but it doesn't look so. I'm already having some little problems in installing it. Yeah, especially this is the trickiest part to install because here there is not much space. It's not thick like this part, and there's just this little part of the face mask where it can attach itself, and so it tends to the covers tend to detach. So let me try also. It's very important that the cover goes this way so that there is an internal part that touches here and goes all over this plastic edge. Okay, so now you see now all the internal part goes to the internal part of the headset, all the external part goes to the external part. Here there is a little ridge, so you have to verify that it goes smoothly on the face mask, both on interior and exterior. Look, these are the problems that I hate of this kind of masks. There's always something that doesn't fit completely good. And so now, okay, this way. So you look, now it's smooth in all directions. And so I can just, put it back here. And voila, this is my Quest 2 with a silicone cover installed. So now let me try to play a game and to show you, so that I can give you also my impressions after I used it for some minutes playing in VR. First impressions after a session of usage of the silicone cover, I can say it's good, but I thought it could be better. I mean, it's first of all, it doesn't smell good, but this is just because it's new, so this is going to disappear very soon. On the other side, I think on the skin, the consistency is like rubber, is a bit soft. I like how it feels on the skin regarding the stiffness, but I don't really like the texture. It feels a bit rough on my skin, so it is irritating it a bit. So it's fun about this. So I don't say I find it super comfortable for my skin and my face configuration. It's not that bad, but I think the sponge that comes with the facial interface of the Quest 2 is better for me. Apart from this, the pros and cons of having something like silicone is that the pro is that the headset becomes super easy to be cleaned because the sponge absorbs, the sweat, the dirt, etc., etc. With the silicone, the sweat remains on top of it, the dirt as well. You just have to use some, alcohol wipes or whatever can clean it. But on the other side, the sponge can absorb a bit of your sweat, while this one not, because it's waterproof. So basically what happens is that if you play a game that makes you sweat, like a fitness game, you start feeling the sweat, dripping down the headset. So you can feel the drops of the sweat falling down because the headset doesn't absorb them, so they just falling down on your skin. And this is a bit disturbing, especially if you play long-term fitness sessions. But that's part of, the game, or the compromises of having this kind of cover. So they're super easy to be clean, but on the other side, they make you sweat a bit. They feel a bit hotter when you wear them, and the sweat remains all on your skin. So pros and cons of having it, I say that it's good as a cover, but I think it could have been better. So that's my final opinion. But something that is free, so it's good to have something more. So it's not that Oculus is removing the standard interface. You can choose between using this and the other one. So having a new possibility is amazing, and I love it. So thanks Oculus for this free facial cover. And that's it for today. You know what you have to do now, like, subscribe, and blah blah blah, whatever else. I wish you a great day in VR. Bye bye.